Sometimes things come at you fast that you don't expect, and that's where Smart Seat comes in. Welcome to Smart Seat, a digitally intelligent car seat. It shows you the outside temperature, air quality, force of the baby on the seat, humidity, as well as the GPS coordinates. It allows you an easy setup through our GUI to add your name and in case of emergency contacts to alert you or them in the case that the infant is in uninhabitable conditions. Sometimes we do not always know what's going on in the back seat, and that's where Smart Seat really comes in handy. We take care of monitoring air quality, temperature, and humidity so that you can rest easy knowing that your infant is safe. The unique part about Smart Seat is its ability to independently text either you or in case of emergency contact without any need from a user. Let's now take a look and see how Smart Seat actually works. Inside Smart Seat, you'll see how the components lie within the base. Here we have a PCB board with all of the sensors laid out. Later in the video, I'll go over what those are. And you can see how it's easily detached from the base. All that is left connecting is a USB. The USB can easily be attached and deattached with no hassle for the user. Now let's go back and take a look at those sensors specifically. Here you can see the Raspberry Pi with the HDMI and power source connected to it. Here we have next the PCB board I was talking about. Above is the air quality, temperature, and humidity sensor. We have multiple temperature and humidity sensors over on the right to make sure that those readings are accurate so an accidental text will not be sent. Now we have redundant sensors in place all connected to the Arduino. That also has a GSM and GPS breakout board connected to it. It is on a second generation network. Here you can also see the GPS signal cable as well as the GSM signal antenna connected to it there. Here we have this force sensor connector that is also connected to that USB we're looking at earlier. This is all kept under a modern case. Here you can see a better look at that GSM antenna I was talking about earlier. If we go back over to the actual car seat, you can see how the USB cable is easily coming off of it, and the force sensors are actually embedded within the padding. You can see our stitching there. Here I've turned the screen recording on my phone while also taking a video so that it'll allow you, the viewer, to see really how Smart Seat works. We're using a heat gun to raise the temperature to a large amount quickly, and then you can see here I got a notification on my phone. I went ahead and took the liberty and rotated it to see it easier. Now let's take a look at it going into the base. It easily snaps in, and the USB, as we said previously, also easily plugs in. Here's a complete view of it, and we'll go back to the GUI to see those sensors. Here the force readout is actually 0, and I'm going to put my hand on it and push down, and you can see it change. This is done so that the seat knows when a baby is in the car seat and when it is not, so an accidental text message won't be sent. Then you can live happily with your new Smart Seat.